Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Apple ID. So guys, if you're using iPhone and want to verify your Apple ID, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings on your iPhone and guys click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and guys open your Apple ID. And guys, after this, here is the option of sign in and security. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you will find here the option of verify. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you will get an OTP on your email address. And guys, simply you need to put that email address here, and guys after this your Apple ID will be verified. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on two-factor authentication, and guys you need to turn on this. And guys, after this, simply you need to, here is the option of automatic verification, you need to turn on this as well. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.